Hi guys, this is in the marina in Chipiona. Not a very nice trip, so we didn't actually video much of it. It was absolutely hellish, to be honest. It was, according to the wind app we have, it said it was supposed to be calm seas. It was about 2 metre swell. First off on the forward quarter, which made it very lumpy indeed. And then as we changed tack, it was on the front, so it wasn't a very nice trip at all. Plus we were supposed to have wind to sail by, and it turned out the wind was coming from the east, so we were heading into the wind most of the time. So not a great sail, but we got here, and very happy to say we got here. 6 hours, just over 6.5 hour trip from the last marina. But it's, to be honest, I preferred the last marina, but there wasn't much in the town. Whereas here, I believe that there's a lot more to see in the town. So we're just going up to have a wee look, see what we see. Look, we have 2 visitors. We don't have any food for you neither. Anyway, this is our wee boat. It's sitting down there on S pontoon, number 17. I've never had cats, wild cats, come up to me like this before. This is a bit weird. Yeah, pretty. Bit over here. This bit over here is the fisherman's quay. It looks like they're having a bit of a barbecue today, a bit of a party. And this is the marina. I can't say I love the marina. It's too big, too spread out, and for to go to the bathrooms or anything, it's all the way around there to that building there, and it's halfway up that building on the left hand side of the bathroom. So it's a fair old walk just for the bathrooms and showers. There is cantinas on this side, which is a bit weird, seeing as they're actually behind a wire fence. This is just at the end of the road from the marina. Nice big green park, it's really nice. You can see the water from here too. Looks a lot calmer today than it was yesterday. Nice little square. This is a hostel. It's called Casa de los Balcones. It looks absolutely lovely. Outside courtyard, very nice. This could be the main thoroughfare where people come to hang out. It's a little bit more busy. A few more bars, restaurants. Shops, resort, without another hope. Just about everywhere, from Portugal right through Spain. This is a lovely big long road with lots of restaurants, bars. Just about every side street has the same. I discovered the best time to come through Chipiona is when the shops are shut, because you just spotted a jewellery shop with lots of nice little trinkets. Yay! We're just on a little excursion to see if we can find the Irish pub. I think it's called a square or something like this. So it's just okay, just towards Cali del Paso.
Cali del Castillo.
Oh, Castillo, is that what she said?
Castillo.
This is the kind of area where We get more people hanging about. Doesn't look so busy this side, but we are quite early on in the day, so most places aren't even open yet. What a beautiful area. This must be gorgeous in the height of the summer. Oh, there's protected bathing. No, I don't mean there. I mean over here. Protected swimming area. Lovely big beach. A little cantina on the beach area. Let's go past. We'll grab a cup, join in. This is where we're heading to today, just as a castle. Just have a wee look around. Oh. So it's supposed to be open today, I don't know if it is or not, but we'll find out. Reasonably impressive. So it's open. This is our next visit. This lighthouse, I believe, was completed in 1867. You can actually go up it. It's 300, well, it's over 300 steps to get to that balcony just below the light. I believe it's the biggest one in Spain. So this is where we're heading next. I don't know if I'm going to make up the steps or not, but we'll have a wee look. Beautiful here. This is a statue dedicated to the fishermen of the area. That must have been when the fish was a bit more numerous. Quite amazing how something that was originally built all those years ago to try to keep mariners safe now turned into more of a tourist attraction. You had to be fit to be a lighthouse keeper. Running up them steps, check the lamp, clean the lenses, make sure it's full of oil, light it. My God, you definitely had to be fit. This is the entrance into the lighthouse. Quite impressive building. Well, this is about as much as we're going to be able to see, unfortunately, because visits are currently cancelled. Sorry for any inconvenience. Yeah, we only travelled halfway around the world to come to your wee place and closed. Oh. Only joking. Never come all this way just to see this. The 8th of March. Well, there's some people still down on the beach enjoying the sun. There's a lot of people out today. It's Saturday. I can't believe I've been out. It's a beautiful day. This is a lovely wee beach. This one here. And there's a beach club, Chipiona. What an absolutely gorgeous stretch of beach. But you can't move on here in June and July. August, it's probably absolutely jam-packed. But today is absolutely gorgeous. So we found a little bar called Google, and they have a burger Google. So that's what it is. So I'm going to say a wee beer. And we're asking for a rolling. Last time I had a burger in Spain, it was we're still blood coming out of it. So hopefully this one will it's nice. Nice little places. Little markets, butchers, just about everything you can think of, like fruit shops and so we're just going to say here, have a burger and then make our way back. Well guys, that was lovely. That was 2 burgers, 2 large beers, 29 euros. Just in there. It's a market, it's fruit, fish, meat, everything's in there, and a couple of restaurants. Absolutely lovely. You have to come here. Turns out they wouldn't let me help.